What's your name? Mika? Correct. Okay, correct. Si Mika. Anyway guys, kukunin ko naman yung aking mga gamit. Sino yung mga kilala niyong magician guys? May mga kilala ba kayong magician?
Wala po!
Kawawa.
Maliban sa akin. Sino? David Blaine. Who else? Who's David Blaine? Kilala niyo po si David Blaine. How about Chris Angel? You know those? Parating na po sila. In-invite ko. But anyway guys, so I'll be performing for you a mind reading routine that I usually perform for my corporate or company shows. Sige, but to do that, kailangan ko ng isang volunteer.
Dito sa akin. Sa daddy ko to eh.
Sino yung kanina nag-volunteer kanina? Yung malakas yung loob?
Si Mika!
Mika, where's Mika? Sige, bago yan, papakilala ko sa inyo yung aking isa sa pinaka-paboritong magician. He is considered to be the best magician in the whole world, in the history of magic. Kilala niyo po ba siya? The name is Harry Houdini. Ito yung picture niyo. Harry Houdini. Mas kilala siya sa escape act. So, usually, ginagapo siya, handcuffs, tinatali ng padlocks, ng mga chains. He goes inside to water and nakaka-escape siya. Basically, nagagawa niya lang hindi siya nakakatay. Ayun po. So, he died 1924, 1874 sa kaya. He died at a young age. He's the best performer. Siya yung idol ko. Ngayon, pero he's also doing close-up magic. Pamilyar ba kayo sa close-up magic? Close-up magic, meaning to say, cards. Card magic. Alright, sino yung marunong sa cards? Sino yung marunong sa cards? Before I do this, ang gagawin ko na magic is the famous magic ni Harry Houdini. Pero ayoko makita yung ginagawa ko kasi baka sumablay ako sa sobrang galing niya. Tatakpan nila natin si Harry Houdini. Right here's me Harry, the front and the back. Mag-over naman natin si Harry Houdini. Alright, sino yung pwede maging volunteer? Mika. Palagpakan naman. Si Mika, you can stay there. You can stay there. Mika, are you familiar with cards? Familiar ka sa cards? Sure? Sige. This is our father. It's a normal deck of cards. Alright, Mika, I'm going to shuffle the cards. Going to shuffle it right in front of everybody for you to see. And then, Mika, I'll shuffle the cards. You say stop whenever you want. Stop. I will not look at the card. Everybody, look at your card. Wala magsasabi kung ano yung card yan. Nakikita? Do not count the cards, ha? Kasi you might see, I'm reading the lips of everybody. Now guys, do you see the card of Mika? So I'll put your card somewhere in the middle of the deck. And it is gone forever. Now what do I have to do? I have to know your card, tama? I have to know your card. Ito gawin natin, Mika. So, shuffle natin yung cards. Ito gawin natin. I will turn around. Ikot ako. What will happen is, lalabas dito yung card mo. If that will happen, guys, would that be amazing? The chosen card will go to this part. At the count of 1, 2,